on a wire. One tries to fly away.
Now it's real. Now that you have me, do you want me still? My kisses are history, they go back a long time. And I'm tired of loving somebody that's not mine. So many mornings I woke up confused. In my dreams I do anything I want to you. My emotions are naked, they're taking me out of my mind. Right now I'm shameless, screaming for you. Someone wrote this song before, and I could tell you where it's from. Before 73625 to win my mind and ease. Your fingertips trace my skin to places I've never been. Lonely eyes, I'm following, break down these walls and come on in. I wanna feel the way that we did last summer night. Drunk on a feeling alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys on the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. Out in the rain, all I have to out in the rain. All I have to do is speak your name. The clouds roll back and the waters part. The sun starts shining in my heart for you. You're right there in everything I do. I'm carrying your love with me, West Virginia down to Tennessee. I've been moving with the good Lord's speed, carrying your love with me. There's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth. Water and wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys on the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I look for love in every stranger, took too much, easy anger all for you, yeah, all for you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. 'Cause I know this, 'cause I know it. Just call on me, yeah. Just call my name. Let me in. Just call my name, I'm yours to save it up. Try to inside. Cross my heart and hope to die. Welcome to my dark side.